Hey everyone, welcome to Jason Explains Things. I'm about to show you the new camping and overlanding setup for my Toyota 4Runner with the Superlite from Go Fast Campers. I'll cover how to install the tent, along with setting it up, tearing it down, and a pretty cool mattress option for most wedge rooftop tents. And if ground tents are more your speed, I'll show you my favorite. This was all filmed while completing Section 3 of the Washington Backcountry Discovery Route in between Ellensburg and Wenatchee, Washington. My buddy Nate and his wife came along as well in their awesome Ram 2500 with a camper. So while talking about tents, I'll also show you some of the more exciting parts of Section 3.
Why isn't Mom doing this? Mom's driving the 4Runner, she should do it.
Time to get that awesome tent off my floor, not on my flippin' 4Runner. How can something so easy take me so long? Excuses. This is likely going to be the easiest rooftop tent installation that you've ever seen. The reason for that is because of, first off, the lightweight, and second, because of Go Fast Camper's awesome design. We have the tracks on the bottom, which are spaced exactly 35 inches apart, and then we have the quick connect mounts. These are extra, but I highly recommend them. Because of these, we just have to, it doesn't actually matter. As long as these are spaced 35 inches apart on the roof, they can be kind of a little farther in, farther out. There's tons of flexibility with this design that you might not have on other setups. Let's go ahead and install these. The only issue that I ran into and what actually delayed me quite a bit, because of the Prinsu Pro Rack, the extrusions on there are really shallow and lots of stuff didn't fit in there, including, I actually don't even think hardware came with this, but I will link to these on Amazon. These are T-nuts that will work. I've already tested them. So we're gonna be using these in conjunction with these with some stainless hardware that I have from the store. Everything that I use is down in the description for you to make it easy for you so you don't have to do trial and error like I had to do. The awesome thing about finally running this GFC tent, it gives a legit reason to have my full-length Prinsu Pro roof rack and Prinsu ladder, or Widow Ladder as it's more commonly known. Install videos for both are linked below. To install the quick connect mounts, insert the T-nuts into the slot on the crossbars. Space the mounts 35 inches apart from the center of the locking mechanism on each. Obviously, you also want an even distance from the mount to the outside of the rack. Two of the mounts have an L etched into them, and those go on the passenger side. Secure the mounts in place with the T-nuts and countersunk head cap screws. The ones I used were 1/4 thread, a 1/2 inch long, and used a 5/32 inch Allen to tighten. Once all 4 mounts are installed, then simply place the tent onto the mounts and secure in place with the lever on each corner. That's it, super easy to install and take off later. FYI, as of September 2024, the Superlite is currently not available, but GFC says a new version is on the way. Once it's available, I'll link it below.
Oh. Tires.
Back into here, Amy. It's pretty darn level. Yeah, that looks good.
If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers in 2024, and I need your help.
Not as easy as the fancy hydraulic $5,000 version of a GFC tent, but still pretty darn easy. We just have a zipper down the side, and then also we got those, you pop that up. You want to get this side, I'll do that side. Okay. So we got two poles. That one trekking poles.
I can already tell you're in there with your yellow t-shirt and yellow GFC tent.
Heck yeah, dude. That's pretty much it. So we didn't get the GFC mattress. This one is from Amazon from a brand called Lost Horizon, and I'll have a link to it down in the description. It comes with this little tiny pump. It's a 4.5-inch mattress and has one of the highest R values I could find. Unfortunately, if it's all the way up, this doesn't close all the way, so I have to close it. So it has 2 ports, one here, and we'll fill it up. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So that's that. And then it also has a built-in light. Hang. To deflate, you switch this thing to here, and it sucks that air right out. How about that?
That's handy.
It's pretty cool. How's the mattress?
It's so squishy.
It's squishy?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Quickly, I want to thank my channel sponsor, Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner. I use it seasonally on all my Toyotas to maintain performance and fuel economy. Gazelle tents have been my favorite ground tent for a few years now. I started with the T4 hub tent in 2022. It's great, sets up and tears down in seconds, and sleeps 2 adults with cots and all the gear easily. But if I'm alone, I prefer to use the T3 because it's much easier to pack inside a vehicle or in the back of a short bed Tacoma. It's more than enough space when I'm camping alone, with a cot, camera gear, clothes, and more stuff. If you can't do something as easy as a rooftop tent, then a Gazelle is a great second option.
Usually, when I'm camping alone. I've camped I think almost 3 full weeks this summer because of week-long work trips. And I've been rocking this Gazelle tent with a cot in it all summer. And I'm like, well, it'll fit 2. And I was thinking more about the big Gazelle that we have. We have this one and we have the big one. And this one does fit 2 cots, but not really. So there's no room in there now, but it's fine. And because they both fit, I've proven my wife wrong and me right. Yeah. You're doing it, Nate! Tobus. Hey kids, where are you adventuring to?
Into the unknown.
All right, have fun. You ready for bed? You good in there? All right, good night. Good morning, girls. How was the tent?
It's fine.
It was nice?
It was nice and cushiony. It was warm up there until we left, and then we're like, now we're cold.
Really cold.
What do you think, Ripley?
It's nice.
Good for you, like you and your sister and the dog?
I didn't need a pillow.
Nice. So Marley, your sweatshirt is wet.
Yeah.
So it got wet in there?
Yeah.
So condensation is a common issue apparently with those tents, so that's why you have to crack the windows a little bit. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Tobus! Tobus! It's super scary out here, Tobus! Oh no! Oh no! Yay, Tobus!
Oh, look at that.
Almost ready to go? Apparently this pump has several uses in it, so probably I'm just gonna leave it up here and we'll use it for the next trip and maybe charge it after that. It's as easy as that. There we go. Cool. Now we just do the straps and we're ready to go.
Cool.
It's a tunnel.
Ah, all the sticks.
Nate, you're getting a dusting again. For your viewing pleasure, here's the most fun part of Section 3 of the Washington BDR. If you want to see the entire 600-mile route from Oregon all the way to Canada, there's a link to that video in the description.
Just enough. Thank you.
Have a good one, guys.
Do you have any vehicles out here?
Just us three, and the Ram's the big one.
Thank you.
Nice! Nicely done. You're all good, Nate. Perfect. Yep. Yeah, you got it. Cool.
Go, Dad.
Yeah, I would stay there. Going any more passenger makes you leanier, so looking good. Looking good. All right. Start going a little passenger now. Perfect. Got it. Money. Good job. Nice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Leave a comment and let me know if you like the more casual style of this video. God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself.